while you do your second reading, you're going to complete an activity called a double entry journal. My recommendation would be to read the text and underline or circle or highlight any areas of the text that you have a strong reaction to. So think about places where you can make connections, places where you have really strong emotions, sections where the language is so rich with imagery that it creates a picture in your head. Notice those parts and mark those parts of your text. After you're done reading, complete your double entry journal. All you do is pull out a section of the text that you highlighted or underlined because it has some kind of meaningfulness to it. On the other side of your double entry journal, you will react or respond to the text. Part of being a good reader is noticing what you think and why you're thinking it. Paying attention to these reactions helps you really be aware of what you understand and what you don't understand. Here's an example that I did using Harrison Bergeron. On the left, you see that I pulled out my lines from the text. It was then that Diana Moonglampers, the handicapper general, came into the studio with a double-barreled 10-gauge shotgun. She fired twice, and the emperor and the empress were dead before they hit the floor. Page 5. On this side, I put my reaction and my response. I chose these lines because it was so sudden. I think the author does this on purpose, to show us how the government is in complete control at all times. I also feel sorry for Harrison, because he was held back all his life from being his true self and later killed for it. I can't imagine a life like that. So you see here that I have reactions, I have feelings, saying that I feel sorry for him. I can't imagine a life like that. I'm making a connection from him to myself. I'm also talking about the story. It shows us how in control the government is. So your reaction is really just your thinking during those lines. Right now, what I'd like you to do on the back of your paper is write down 2 things that you notice about the double entry journal. Look at the length, look at the content. Just write down 2 things, and then when you're ready, you can get back to work. Good luck.